Nice. Ooh, let's go, Tim. Nice. Nice. Let's go, Tim. Good shit, Tim. Good challenge. Let's fucking go, dude. Oh my god. Okay, that's okay. Nice, Tim. Good shit, mid. Yes. Oh, that ain't it. Yes, nice. Good shit, Tim. Good shit. Hey, mid-set coaching? We allow this? I'm curious. I'm home. Oh, well, that's a shame. Oh, really? Yeah. Did you buy the Bad Man shirt? Oh, you're nasty, bro. That's sick.
Nice duck.
It's like pick a stroke and music plays more range. Oh. And all he does is play. Let's go, Tim. Really pressing on that.
Nice step.
Nice. Let's go, Tim. Okay. That's all right. Nice.
There you go.
2 more rounds, Tim. Let's go. Nice. Let's go, Tim. Keep it together, Tim. Got it. Nice. Let it rip. Let it rip. Let's go, Tim.
Yeah.
Let's go, Tim. One more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. It's alright. It's alright.
Things you can do with no mid-set coaching. That's sick.
I know.
Let's go.
Calling for Jing Neji.
Over here, try to do some good tech coaching. So I wasn't about to let him coach against my home. Yeah. I mean, they were. Now it's 1-1. Yeah, it's close. It's been very close. Yeah.
Oh my God.
He's kicking himself bad. Nice interrupts. Good shit. They don't like being on that side. Put him back. Put him back. Nice. Oh no. Oh no. Nice patience. Not nice enough, I guess. Yeah, for real, dude. The fucking back turn throw after. Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah, the fucking, Bro, that was ugly as hell. That was so ugly. Shame on both y'all. Nice! Let's go, Tim! Look at me. Nice. That wall split anywhere, okay? Yes, sir. Let's go, Tim. More plus frames. Yes. That's all right. Nice. That's all right. That's all right. It's a baby coach. Nice. Yo, let's go, Tim. One more round, Tim. Let's go. Oh, we press him.
Let's go.
Oh, we press him. It's pressing 8. Let's go. Yes, Tim. Let's go, Tim. Yes. Let's go, Tim. One more. That's all right.
It's all right.
No.
You still got life
That
lead.
was so greedy. That's okay. One more guess.
Nice.
Let's go,
Yeah.
Tim. Good shit, Tim.
Good job, Tim.
Yeah! Woo! Where's that guy? Let's fucking go. Let's go, Tim.